Welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency, trading, and investment in general. These are crypto updates talking about the airlines that are making waves in the industry in over the past 2 3 days now, and I'm going to share that with you. My name still remains the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and these are the headline: Coinbase wallet delays XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum Classic. That is big. Why? You need to check that out. On the headlines, we can see Brazil legalized cryptocurrency as a method of payment, not legal tender, just as a method of payment. You might want to read that out. France, Luxembourg test CBDC for 100 million euro bond issue. That is good news for crypto. And we can see Ukraine considering CBDC that can facilitate crypto trading. And we know Ukraine is still ongoing in the war, talking about the invasion from Russia. But let's move on with the headlines. India to test digital rupee in 4 cities with 4 banks. And also we can see right here, South Korea issue arrest warrant for Do Kwon's former colleagues. We all know they issued the same thing for the co-founder Do Kwon too, which is still on the run. And Ukraine-based blockchain firm blast fake news for crypto donation rumors amid FTX collapse. We can see right, 2 criminals jailed for stealing Bitcoin or for stealing from Bitcoin investor in Dubai. Dubai is no place to play around. You should know that digital asset could add 40 billion US dollars a year to Australian GDP. And also, we are talking about NFT. OpenSea CEO says FTX fallout is opportunity to refocus on trust. And speaking about Genesis creditors hire lawyers to find ways to prevent crypto brokerages bankruptcy. As we all know, the filing for bankruptcy, Chapter 11. Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin calls governance token speculations pathological. And we can see some Bankman-Fried hid Republican donations, so media wouldn't freak out or freak the fuck out. Sam Bankman-Fried still thinks FTT was more legit than most of the tokens out there. Do you believe that? You might want to check that out. And we can see FTX, Alameda Ho, how much? Blockify more than 1 billion US dollar. That was revealed in the court filing they made talking about their Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing. And we can see Sam Bankman-Fried says FTX hackers may be former employee, and that's possible because we know they say a lot of their employees to suffered from what happened to FTX, FTX US, and Alameda Research. And we can see talking about NFT. Ape coins jump 31% as staking near, but Ape NFT prices rebound. We know all of them were falling, but now they're going to start staking very soon, and we can see about 31% jump in the market. Bitcoins moved towards 17K as historic accumulation and bottom signal flashes. You know, a lot of people are saying probably we're now at the end at the bear market, which I believe, because even though we're going to test 10,000, this is a secret I'm sharing with you. It might be a spike and it will recover immediately. So you might not even catch the 10,000 or the 12,000 you're waiting for. So start doing your DCA, dollar cost average, as an investor. And also speaking about coin, we can see BNB chain NFT support added to OpenSea. I think great thing happened in the world of NFT recently, and crypto remained largest investment sector in 2022, outspacing fintech and biotechnology. And last but not the least is crypto exchange Kraken settles with Treasury Department over Iran sanctions violation. That's what I have for you on Crypto Update, talking about the headlines. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim. Until I catch you on another beautiful episode of this, the headline and Crypto Update. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, and it's peace out.